I'm going to show you how to invisible half double crochet decrease. But first, we're going to look at the top of our work. You'll see that the top of our work resembles a braid, and the top of each stitch has two loops. The loop that's closest to you as it faces you is the front loop, and the loop furthest from you as it faces you is the back loop. So to make an invisible half double crochet decrease, we're going to yarn over, and we're going to insert our hook into the front loop only of the next two stitches. We're going to draw up a loop, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through all three loops on our hook. You've just decreased one stitch. Let's try that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the front loops only of the next two stitches. Draw up a loop, yarn over, and complete your half double crochet as normal. And that's it.